He is one very busy, very talented, and very interesting man. Please welcome and enjoy Bill Kurtis.
Thank you. Very good. "10 years ago, I said," I'm not bragging, but it wasn't a mistake. I said that the real problem is not a war in the Gulf, it is global warming. I also said that 99% of the scientists endorsed the theory and predicted, quote, increased extreme weather events. Not many people were listening. If you remember the New Explorers, we based it on the scientific method. You observe a problem, you hypothesize what the problem might be, you go out and experiment and gather data to resolve it, and then come to a conclusion. Why are we having so many violent hurricanes? Is it unusual? Well, not if you were listening to the experts 10 years ago. They predicted more extreme weather events, just like Katrina. Why? Because the world is getting hotter, specifically the water. 10 years ago, my lead-in introduction looked something like this.
It was always supposed to be gradual, this warming of the Earth, something we could ignore until the next century. We were told it might not even be true. It was just theoretical or political. But now the world is changing. It is warming. Finally, the world is seeing what global warming can mean.
There's a Greek word called peripeteia, in which all that you have learned and believed in your life is suddenly revealed to you as being wrong. George Ryan in 1999 found 13 innocent men on death row. He was shocked.
It was a historic decision made not by a lawyer, but a former pharmacist. Governor, you declared a moratorium on executions in Illinois. Why?
We had a flawed system, Bill. System that didn't work. We almost executed innocent people 13 times, as a matter of fact. And you know, Bill, I don't have to say this. It goes without saying. If we're going to have a system, it's got to be perfect. Now, can we have a system that is? I don't know at this point.
There was a research paper from Columbia University Law School that said, after studying 6,000 capital cases from 1976 to today, they found 68% reversible error in all the capital trials that they studied. 60% because of bad defense lawyers, overzealous prosecutor, suppressing evidence, the judge, all the appeals project to put a man on death row, not just guilty, on death row. Nothing to it, folks. I'm Bill Kurtis, and I am here tonight to celebrate the 150th year of the YMCA of Metropolitan Chicago. Welcome. When many of us, it's going to be a great night.